This is our mom. She's strong, positive, and caring. The best mom ever.
For this Mother's Day, we wanted to do something special for her. Recreate her favorite photos from our childhood and revisit our happiest memories using the Oppo Reno 7 Pro.
Our mom has always captured our special family moments, even the embarrassing ones.
Especially the embarrassing ones.
She's like a superhero, always there to support and protect us. So we had to recreate this one. The older we get, the more we appreciate the journey she's been through to raise us. We wanted to take a special portrait for her to show how beautiful she was and still is.
Happy Mother's Day, Mom!
Thank you for being our mom. We love you!